Good morning, everybody. As you know, we will be changing to Microsoft Outlook starting December 7th. I would like to go over a few basic functions with you. I know most of you have a concern about retaining your emails that you already have. I would like to show you how to add your already existing emails. The screen that I have up right now will not allow me to show you how to do that. So I'm going to bring up my own personal Outlook account. What you're going to do is go into Settings. Then you're going to go into Manage Accounts. You're going to add an account. You're going to scroll down to Other Accounts. Here, you're going to put in your work email address, then your password associated with that email, and hit Sign In. And that is pretty much it. The hardest thing about this is waiting for those emails to upload in Outlook. It should probably only take about 5 minutes. Okay, if we go down here, we have your email. This is your calendars. You have the option of changing your calendars to whatever view that you would like. Then you have contacts, where you can contact someone. And then down here, this last one is your tasks. So you can even you can flag your email and then you can create it right here. We're going to go back to email right now. Okay, there's a couple of functions I would like to show you right here. If we go into Settings, on this first page here, it will let you change your theme. That's up here. You can change it to dark modes. But what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to View All Outlook Settings. And we're going to go into Compose and Reply. Here is where you make your e-signature. I've added my name, my position, our company, and then I like to add my email address and my telephone number. If you click that right there, that will automatically put that signature on all your emails so you never have to worry about it in the future. Something else I would like to show you down here is right here is where you can change your font. I'm going to change this to Times New Roman, as that's the one that Jeff likes. When you've done that, just click Save. Now while we're in here, I'm going to show you automatic replies. To do that, all you have to do is turn the replies on and then click Send during this time period, and then you pick your date and your start time, and then you can block your calendar for that period so nobody can add stuff for you. Now when you click this first one, it will send it to everybody in the office. When you click this one, it will send messages outside of the office. And then obviously you just add your messages here and click Save. But I'm going to discard that right now. And the other thing I'm going to show you this. So when you compose an email here in 365, you will have this icon on your bar, on your toolbar. It will make it a lot easier. Otherwise, it can be pretty complicated. So we're going to hit Customize Actions. We're going to go down here to where it says Toolbar. And we're going to click Show Message Options. And then hit Save. Right. And I will show you why we did that. Click out. Now I have a draft here of a letter I composed for y'all. Okay, now this is the toolbar that I was talking about. It will add here. So we have your sensitivity, which you can choose. And this is how you send a read receipt. And then you click OK, and you will get a read receipts. That's only if the other person has their read receipt on. Okay, so we have here is who to all you guys, and then to Jeff right here. And I want to make a note about your subject line here. Make sure it's a good one. Like, hopefully it's a good one when I say Outlook transition video. Don't put things in there like hello, because it will probably be disregarded, or it will wait till the end of the day. Make sure that everybody knows what this email is about. And as you can see, I changed this to Times New Roman. So you can see that. It will automatically do that. I added a picture right here to do that. You just click your picture. Obviously, you will pick one from your files. Hit open. And it will plant that right there. There's my email signature box right there. And obviously this one right here says please follow the link, but that link will, this is why this is a draft, so I can put that in there for you. So that is the basics, guys, just to get you started. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to grab hold of me or send me an email. Okay, thank you guys.